Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto E40 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box here. This is the quick start guide, the safety guide with the warranty cards, I think. Also we can find here the SIM jack tool. The next thing, this is the charger brick, the Motorola original charger brick, and we have also here the USB Type-C cable. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.